Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Reviews back with another video, and today I will share with you guys a list of 10 amazing free apps that you must have on your device in 2026. Now before we get into the video, I just want to ask you guys for a really quick favor. Most of you guys that watch my videos are currently not subscribed to the channel, so if you enjoy the video and you want to see more of them, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel a lot. Now we're starting things off with File Doctor. Probably the only files app you need on your iPhone, with a ton of really powerful tools allowing you to manage your iPhone files as well as your iPhone storage. So here we have the home screen where we can search for our files. Of course, we can add the files here from the Files app or from the camera roll or the inbox right there. You will have a scanning tool right here to scan documents, and then you will also have the ability here to clean the storage of your iPhone. Now on the main page right here, you will see the document scanner and the phone storage, and right there at the top you will see some really powerful tools like the ability to merge PDFs, compress PDFs, unlock PDFs, and also search for documents. And then right here we'll have all kinds of like image tools and also PDF tools that you can use, like resize, compress, rename, convert images. All of them can be done right here within the app. Going into the tools section right here, you will have a list of all the tools that this app has to offer, from the PDF tools to create and edit, and then you will have the security tools, the AI tools, the business, media, and the utilities as well. Next up is OneTap. OneTap is an app that allows you to save stuff on the app and use it directly from the keyboard or the widgets on the home screen. Whether that be maybe a link, like text or something like that. You can see right here we have text, photo, link, and also documents. You can save them into these shortcuts that are created right here within the app. And of course, you will see all kinds of details regarding that shortcut. And now, once I have my links or photos or documents saved here, I can use them directly from the keyboard, or I can use them from the home screen widget. So there I have the link. If I need it, I can go ahead and copy it directly from here, which is really useful. Now here, when we go to the keyboard, if I switch to this one, you can see right here we have those shortcuts that I have saved. I can tap on one of them if I want to add it right there. Then we have also right here the clipboard. We can go ahead and manage anything that we have copied on the clipboard. And then you will have the UI tools here as well, which is really awesome, from where you can rewrite, proofread, and things like that. Basically some really useful tools that you will also find on Apple Intelligence devices. Next up is Edits. Now this is a totally free app, and it has been released a few months ago by Meta. It basically allows to edit photo videos easier than ever, and all that for free. So you load your videos right here. We'll have all kinds of different tools that you will find on apps that are actually paid and very expensive. Like you will have text here, audio. You can go ahead and add captions. You can go ahead and add filters, of course, overlays, sound effects, and all that stuff. You can add stickers, anything you want to your video. Of course, you have the plus button if you want to add more videos. Now right here you will have everything that you have saved. Here you can go ahead and explore different reels, and then right here you will have the recording section where you can actually go ahead and record the video and directly go ahead and edit it in the app, and then of course post it to Instagram. Now when you go here, you will also see all of your reels, how many you have released and how views they have had. All the analytics for your reels will be right here. Next up is Summarify. It allows us to summarize videos from YouTube. All you have to do is just paste a YouTube link within the video, within the app actually, and then you will have here a bunch of options. Like you can get a short summary of that video or a detailed summary of the video. Bullet points right here, straight answer. You can ask questions. You have key takeaways, highlighted details. You can view the transcript right here. You can search within the video. It basically allows you to do anything you want with that video. So if we go right here to bullet points, in this case, you can see a very short summary of that video, and of course all the crucial points in that video. It is really useful. Now once it has done everything here, once it's done, you can see you can go ahead and summarize again, or you can actually share this or copy the text directly from here, or even go back to the summarize menu. Next up is table of contents. Now you can use this within Safari. It's a Safari extension, so install it and then go right here to manage extensions and make sure you have this enabled right here. Once you're done with that, then you can go ahead and run it from here, and what it does, it basically shows you the table of contents for any website that you're in, and you can quickly go to any of them directly from here. This is very, very useful and will save you a lot of time. Next up is Longshot. Now this app allows you to combine screenshots into one. Like when taking screenshots of a conversation, for example, you can turn 2 or more screenshots into one. You simply load the screenshots from here, and once you have done that, you will see your screenshots right here, and you can go ahead and combine them into one screenshot. It actually does a great job and will allow you to take a screenshot similar to the one that you take on Safari, where you can take a screenshot of a full web page. You can also go to screen recording stage, where you can go ahead and record like a screenshot, not a screenshot, but a conversation. You can record the screen and scroll through the conversation, and then it will turn that recording into a single screenshot. TextMask is up next. It allows you to mask anything you want on a picture, and it has a ton of very useful tools. Like right here we have a piece of text. We can go ahead and actually mask that, so you can see we can simply tap on words to actually mask them, which is really awesome. So you tap right there, it will mask that word, which is really, really cool. Now what you can do is also highlight maybe certain words or like a piece of this screenshot that you have taken. You can add strike, you can add an underline as well, and of course you can pick any color you want here. You can add text or search for text within that screenshot, and then you will be able to easily go ahead and just mask it. Now you will have also a few other options right here which also are paid, but the main ones are free and you can use them absolutely for free. Now on this video, I had to include a wallpaper app, and Wallcraft is by far one of the best wallpaper apps that you can get on your device for free. You can get it for free, it doesn't basically show you a lot of ads, and it has most wallpapers free. So by looking here, you can see most of the wallpapers are free. The ones that have this little like yellow icon are the ones that are on the premium subscription, but as you can see, most of them are free and they actually look stunning and they have a really, really high quality. Now from here, once you go to wallpaper, you can download it, favorite it, or see how it looks on your device. And what's really cool is that anytime you're looking at the wallpaper, you will also find a lot of wallpapers right here that are similar to that one, and of course it makes it very easy for you to explore and find the wallpaper you want. Next up is Week Planner. Now this one is really interesting. It allows you to plan by week. So if I go here into my week, I can see everything that I have planned for this week, and it shows me right here the calendar for that week and the tasks and the notes that I have to make. Now when we go back here, we also have the inbox. Now on the inbox, you can just go ahead and just like create different notes where you will basically just add ideas, and then after you have done that, you can actually go ahead and add that idea into one of the weeks on your calendar. So here I have an idea that I have added, or a task, but that I didn't know when I want to make it. Now I can go ahead and move it from the inbox to one of my weeks. And last but not least is MoYo. When it comes to home screen widgets on your iPhone, this is by far one of the best apps you can get. It gets updated a lot with a lot of new widgets. Right here you can see how cool do they look. On the home screen right here, we'll find widgets, and you will have lock screen widgets, and you will also find wallpapers as well, which is really awesome. Now the cool thing about this is that it has a ton of different widgets, but also one thing is that you can actually use them on the home screen with a transparent look that makes them look really amazing. Let me show you guys how it works. So right here, if I add a widget from MoYo, I can go ahead and choose the widget I want to display from the widgets that I have saved within the app, and then simply enable the transparent button, and right there you will get a transparent widget that actually looks really, really awesome. So let's just wait for this to load here. So there you go, it will load in a few seconds and you will have a really nice looking widget for your home screen. So that's basically for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and the apps. If you want to download any of these apps, make sure to check out the pinned comment. All the links will be there. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.